Welcome to this final step of the introduction chapter. You have already covered a lot of ground. You discovered Google Workspace tools such as Drive, Docs, and Sheets. You organized your digital workspace. You set up a password manager to protect your accounts. And you created your first Trello board dedicated to managing a digital marketing campaign. This chapter brings everything together. Its purpose is to give you a complete checklist of everything that must be in place before you move on to the actual marketing content. Think of it as a pre-flight checklist that a pilot goes through before taking off. Nothing dramatic, but nothing optional either. Why does a proper work environment matter in digital marketing? Digital marketing is a field where you will be juggling multiple tools, multiple platforms, multiple clients or projects simultaneously. If your environment is not set up properly from the start, you will waste time, lose data, make avoidable mistakes, or work in a way that cannot scale. Professionals who perform well in digital marketing are almost always people who are rigorous about their tools and their organization. The environment you set up now will directly support the skills you are going to build. Writing content, running advertising campaigns, analyzing performance data, building automation sequences, and more. It is not an administrative formality. It is the foundation. The complete checklist is organized around 5 major areas. Let us go through each one in detail. Area 1. Your Google Workspace environment. Google Workspace is the backbone of your digital work environment. You should have the following elements fully operational. A Google account dedicated to your training and professional practice. This account should not be a personal account mixed with private emails and photos. It must be clean, professional, and used exclusively for your digital marketing work. Google Drive properly structured. You should have at minimum one main folder named after your project or training, with subfolders for each major domain: content, campaigns, analytics, resources, templates. During the Drive workshop, you practice this structure. If you skipped steps or are not confident your Drive is well organized, now is the time to fix it. Google Docs accessible and tested. You should be able to create a new document, format it, share it with a collaborator, and add comments. These are basic but essential actions you will use throughout the training. Google Sheets accessible and tested. A spreadsheet will be your tool for tracking campaign performance, organizing keyword lists, building editorial calendars, and more. Make sure you can create a sheet, enter data, and use simple formulas. Sharing permissions understood. You must know the difference between viewing access, commenting access, and editing access in Google Drive. For example, when you share a performance report with a client, you will typically give them viewing access only. When collaborating with a teammate on a content plan, you will give editing access. If any of these elements are missing or not fully functional, stop here and complete them before continuing. Area 2. Your security and password management setup. Cybersecurity is not optional in digital marketing. You will be managing access to advertising platforms, analytics tools, social media accounts, email marketing platforms, and client data. A single compromised password can have serious professional and legal consequences. A password manager must be installed and active on your main device. During the security workshop, you installed one. Common examples include Bitwarden, which is free and open source, or LastPass, or 1Password. The specific tool matters less than the fact that it is installed and that you are actually using it. Every account you create from this point forward must use a unique, strong password generated by your password manager. A strong password is typically at least 16 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and has no connection to your personal information. Two-factor authentication, also called double authentication, must be enabled on your Google account and on any other major platform where it is available. Two-factor authentication means that even if someone obtains your password, they cannot access your account without a second verification step, usually a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator application. You should have written down or securely stored your master password for your password manager. If you lose this master password, you could lose access to all your other passwords. This is the one password you must memorize or store in a secure physical location. Area 3. Your Trello Project Management Board. You spent 2 workshops building your Trello environment. Here is what must be in place. A Trello board named Digital Campaign or equivalent must exist and be accessible from your account. The board must have at least the following lists: ideas, to do, in progress, review, done. This structure reflects a typical workflow in a marketing project and allows you to track the status of every task visually. Labels must be customized to reflect the different types of tasks in a digital marketing project. For example, you might have labels for content, advertising, analytics, social media, and email. These labels allow you to filter tasks by category at a glance. Deadlines must be activated and assigned to at least one card on your board. Trello's deadline feature allows you to assign a due date to each task. and the board will visually alert you when a deadline is approaching or has passed. You should be comfortable creating a new card, adding a description, assigning a label, setting a deadline, and moving the card between lists. These are the core actions you will repeat constantly throughout the training and in your professional work. If your board is incomplete or you are not yet fluent with these actions, take a few minutes to complete and practice before moving on. Area 4. Your browser and basic digital tools. Your web browser is your primary working interface in digital marketing. It must be properly set up. Use a professional browser. Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox are recommended because they have the widest compatibility with marketing tools and offer useful extensions. Avoid using a browser you also use for personal browsing mixed with professional work. Install essential browser extensions. At minimum, you should have your Password Manager extension installed so it works directly in your browser. As you progress through the training, you will add other extensions related to search engine optimization, analytics, and productivity. Organize your bookmarks. Create a bookmark folder called Digital Marketing Tools and begin adding the key tools you use regularly: Google Drive, your Trello board, and any other platform you access frequently. This small habit saves significant time over weeks and months. Test that your browser can access Google Workspace tools without issues. Open a Google Docs file, open a Google Sheet, and open your Google Drive. All three should load correctly and be editable. Area 5. Your professional mindset and working habits. This last area is less technical but equally important. The environment you are setting up is not just about software and platforms. It is also about the habits and discipline that will determine whether you succeed in digital marketing. Work in dedicated sessions. Digital marketing requires focused attention. Set aside specific time blocks for training, and during those blocks, avoid distractions. Close irrelevant browser tabs, silence notifications, and concentrate. Document everything from the start. Get into the habit of saving notes, saving copies of campaign structures, saving reports, and keeping records of decisions you make. In professional practice, this documentation is essential for audits, handovers, and performance analysis. Stay organized in your communications. Whether you are using email, a shared document, or a Trello comment, be clear and precise. In digital marketing agencies and teams, unclear communication leads to errors in campaigns that can cost real money. Adopt a culture of testing and verification. Never assume a tool is working correctly without testing it. If you set up a form, fill it in yourself to check it works. If you schedule a post, verify that it published correctly. This habit of verification is fundamental in digital marketing. Final verification. The complete checklist summary. Before moving on to the next section of the course, confirm that each of the following is true for you. I have a professional Google account dedicated to my digital marketing work. My Google Drive is structured with organized folders. I can create, share, and edit documents in Google Docs and Google Sheets. I understand the difference between viewing, commenting, and editing permissions. I have a Password Manager installed and active on my device. All my training-related accounts use unique, strong passwords stored in my Password Manager. Two-factor authentication is enabled on my Google account. I have a Trello board named Digital Campaign with customized lists, labels, and at least one card with a deadline. I can perform the core Trello actions: create a card, assign a label, set a deadline, move a card. My browser is set up professionally with essential extensions and organized bookmarks. I am committed to working in a disciplined, organized, and documented way. If you can confirm all of these points, your environment is complete and you are fully ready to enter the core content of the Digital Marketing Expert course. If one or more points are not yet confirmed, address them now. The time you invest in this setup will pay back many times over as the course progresses and the tasks become more complex. This checklist is not just an administrative exercise. It represents your first real act as a digital marketing professional, setting up a rigorous, secure, and organized work environment before taking on any campaign or client project. That discipline is what separates effective digital marketers from those who struggle. You are starting with the right habits.